G'day and welcome to Heads or Tails Down Under Coins. In this video, we're going to be looking at the newest coloured $2 coin in Australia. That's right. Don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell for upcoming videos. And don't forget to leave a comment about your most favoured $2 coloured coin. So this is 80 years on, remembering the Second World War, 2025. This is the latest of the coloured version $2 coins in Australia. So this is a version of a red poppy. It's got 8 red poppies on it. So something definitely different for us here. We usually only get 1 red poppy on our coloured $2 coins, but this bad boy has 8 of them. 1 for each of the 10 years that have passed, so 80 years on. So you got a C mint mark version of this. So right here near my fingernail, my dirty little fingernail, there's a C right there on the coin. So the C is on the carded coin and the silver version of this coin, not in the mint roll. So the mint roll is just a normal version of the coin. So there we go. So that's the back of the card. If you want to look at that, have a bit of read of it, pause it yourself. So this is the 2025 C Mint Mark coloured uncirculated coin, 80 years on, remembering the Second World War. Mint age is 100,000 of this C Mint Mark version. There we go. That's the front of the card. So you people who want to see the back and the front there, there we go. And also got the mint roll. So this is a full $50 worth of $2 coins in the rolls here, and it has the 80 years remembering World War II. That's this coin roll right here, and you've got the Royal Mint shield on here. Just so you know, it's been sealed by the Royal Australian Mint. That's their little stickers they put on them. Yeah, King Charles III on there on the back side of the coin, and head, tail, and side, all the above. There we go. But we have the biggest and the baddest. That's right, folks. We have the big dog in the house. Always here on Heads or Tails Down Under Coins. Don't forget to smash that like button. Yes, I'm looking at you. You know, you're watching this video and you're going, should I smash it? Smash it. Yeah. I pay for all these coins out of my own dirty little pocket. Smash that like button for us. Drop us a comment. And that's the back and the front and all the sides of the box, so you get to have a look. Everyone wants to look at that type of stuff. I know people do. There we go. If you want to pause and read it yourself, there you go. You can do that. And there we go. Open up the box. Taking off the tissue paper beforehand because I hate that tissue paper and it never goes back in. Thick box itself. So that's the certificate of authenticity. I've got our number is 9,864. God damn. I'd love to get in like the low 10s. Even under 20 would be great one day on one of my coins. There we go. So it's a $2 C Mint Mark coloured fine silver proof coin. Mintage is 10,000. So there we go. That's why everyone was chasing this one. And it's already on the secondary market, going for 3 or 4 times its normal price. So if you really want it, just really want it, go and get it. So it's C Mint Mark, as you can see again. You can see it a bit better and clearer on this silver version. So that's right there, near my little fingernail. C for Canberra, where the Australian Mint is located. More than 20 years after the guns fell silent on the Western Front in November 1918, war again broke out on a global scale. This war, the Second World War, proved to be the deadliest in human history. Close to 40,000 Australians lost their lives, and with the bombing of Darwin in February 1942, the Australian mainland came under attack for the first time. The coin commemorates the 80th anniversary of this harrowing war, with one poppy for each decade that has passed. The reef represents our enduring memory of those who served. There we go. So that's what the coin is all about. 80 years have passed since the end of World War II. Lest we forget, people. Beautiful looking silver coin. I'll pop it out of the case for you so you can look at the head side as well. King Charles III, Australia, 2025, $2. There we go. So, old Biggie Charlie's on all of our coins now. There he is. And there we go. Beautiful silver-proof poppy coin. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit notification bell for upcoming videos. Don't forget to hit that like button, people. Like it a lot, and don't forget to leave a comment. And don't forget to share this video with your family and friends. And if there's a hype button apparently out there in YouTube land now, smash it. Smash it. Rip it off. Hit that hype button for us so we get more views, people. Come on. I'd like to say a big shout out. How you going? How you going, Leanne? Great job, mate. Keep it going. See ya.